Sometimes late at night I lie awake and watch her sleep. Oh, she's lost in peaceful dreams, so I turn out the light and lay in the dark. Oh, and the thought crosses my mind, if I never wake in the morning, oh, will she ever doubt the way I feel about her in my heart? Oh, and if tomorrow will never come, will she know how much I loved her? And did I try in every way to show her every day that she's my only one? And if my time on earth with her, she must face this world without me. Is the love I gave her in the past, it's gonna be enough to last until tomorrow never comes. 'Cause I've lost loved ones in my life who never knew how much I loved them. Oh, now I live without regret that my true feelings for them never will reveal. Yeah, so made a promise to myself, say each day how much it means to me. And avoid that circumstance where there's no second chance to tell them how I feel. Oh, and if tomorrow never comes, will she know how much I love her? And did I try in every way to show her every day that she's my only one? And in my time on earth with her, yeah, that she must face this world without me. Is the love I gave her in the past, it's gonna be enough to last until tomorrow never comes. Is the love I gave her in the past, it's gonna be enough to last until tomorrow never comes. So tell that someone that you love just what you're thinking of if tomorrow never comes. That's right. Don't forget to tell your loved ones we love you.